In a quiet village near a mysterious jungle, young Oliver, known for his adventurous spirit, asked his wise father Henry to explore the jungle together. They embarked on a well-prepared adventure, discovering wonders and eventually stumbling upon the magical harp of the jungle with prosperity-bringing powers. They concealed their newfound treasure and, through its magic, transformed their village into a prosperous trading hub.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of content creation, and I'll walk you through the process of not only generating a script, but also turning it into a captivating video. So, let's get started. 1. Generating an engaging script. Before we can even think about creating visuals, we need an amazing script. It all starts with a great prompt. Imagine you want to craft a thrilling story for your audience, so you prompt ChatGPT with something like, generate a script about a child at home with two sisters with their parents, a mysterious outsider, and a journey into the forest. Now ChatGPT will work its magic and provide you with a compelling story script. 2. Crafting eye-catching images. Once you got your script ready, it's time to visualize it. To do this, you can use the Leonardo website. Just create a free account, open the studio, and set the image ratio to 16:9 for that perfect YouTube video look. Paste the prompts generated by ChatGPT and remember to add some extra keywords like Ultra HD, Disney style, Pixar style, and Cinema 4K to get exactly what you want. Leonardo will provide you with several options, so select the best ones and repeat this process for all the images you need. 3. Bringing images to life. Now that you have your images, it's time to give them life. Head over to the Runway ML website, create a free account, and access their studio. Using their Gen 2 tool, upload your images one by one. Runway ML does the magic for you by creating short video clips, usually around 4 seconds by default. You can extend them as needed. Remember, they offer you 525 free credits to get started, so don't worry about extra costs. Once you're done, you can easily download your video clips from the top right corner. 4. Putting it all together. Now comes the exciting part, video editing. You have your script, your images, and your video clips, and it's time to weave them into a stunning visual narrative. You can use editing software like CapCut on your desktop, or even a mobile app if you prefer. If you're interested in learning some amazing editing techniques, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to provide you with some tips and tricks. And there you have it, from a simple script idea to a fully fledged video, ready to captivate your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. If you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific aspect of this process, feel free to leave a comment. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and it helps us create content that you'll love. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey, and I can't wait to see the amazing videos you'll create using these techniques. Until next time,